Look at this. So peaceful, man. So peaceful. I can hear my ear ringing. So we are on Chongtong tea estate now. Okay. And this is lovely. I think that's a school. Wow. The view is lovely. Proper valley sort of feel. So happy to see Namchi from here. One of my favorite places. Piglets. Puppies. It was an awesome ride, man. I think this is a school. Yeah, looks like a school. I've seen this before. Not physically, I mean digitally I've seen this before. It's good to just explore, you know. It's not that you have certain destination you have to go, or tourist place where you have to stop, but it's more like you just go explore. Lovely houses. I like that valley, the other side, the tea estate. There is some statue over here. Shahid B.R. Dewan Park. Okay, looks like someone from Army? I don't know. This is the shortcut race. Okay, I think even I have seen this. I have to figure it out. What this statue? Who is this person? So I just asked a few localites and they told me that Chongtong, Lower Chongtong, Upper Chongtong way is still ahead. I have to go the same road. Actually, more than anything right now I'm trying to find a place where I can eat and then we'll see, we'll figure it out. But the roads are pretty bad. I think this might have happened recently when it rained continuously for several days. Roads are like moon craters. Our Lady of Lourdes Church. Okay. This is Lisa Hill Tea Estate. Okay. Oh my god. Roads are nasty. They're getting more nastier. Okay. I can notice a lovely view. There's something up there. Probably a tea estate. I should have a look. What do you say? I think, right? वही करने के लिए तो आए हैं. Okay, Chongtong Tea Estate. What? Okay. Can I go up and see? Let me see. Off-roads. See, Bullet can do off-road as well. Whoa. Whoa, this is lovely. What is that? Sure, it's some tea factory. I could be wrong. We'll figure it out. Wow, this is lovely, man. Manager's bungalow, factory office. Okay. I think for walking, evening walks and morning walks, this place is super awesome. Check this out, the view. We are still descending down. I can again see Char Dham and Sandupche, and that side is a helipad. Last time I went there, but actually I didn't go there for vlogging. I went for some personal work, so I didn't explore much. I just went to helipad, and next day I had to walk, so I had to walk from the hotel itself. So I couldn't explore much. I think this way it will be easier to go towards Soreng also. I have to figure that out. Though anyways, this valley is so nice. The tea plantation. Wow. You can smell the tea, you know. Although even my house is around, in and around tea estates only nearby, but plains and the tea estates and hill station, they are two different things. Okay, this is a viewpoint, I think so. Look at them. Bear. Wow, they look so lovely. Can you see your eye? I've seen this bird in Bangalore. Okay, anyways. Okay. The view looks amazing. I think there's a viewpoint here as well. Okay, so this is Lower Chongtong. Roads are not getting any better though. What is this? Oh, Bogota. There it is. Wow, lovely house. Cusco Garo, Amiris. Card design. By the way, I've been riding since morning 8 or 8:30. My back and my wrist. This one. Okay, this is Pool Bazaar. Not sure where I'm heading to, but I'm about to reach the foothills where there's a river and there are a lot of houses. I think there is some place where you can visit also. There is a statue where Jamuney, I think that place name is Jamuney. We'll see. Yeah, I think we can go there. I see a bridge. I don't know where am I. Some temple is there. Pool bazaar. Pool ki pool. Okay. Okay, there's a playground. खाना खाने से कहाँ पहुँचो? खाना बिना ना खाए तो I should not go up. Can you see the bird? She is not scared also. Pradhan Hotel. I think I should eat whatever I get. Ay.